Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. But I wouldn't do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about the OpenBSD community. Every operating system, such as Windows or either the different Linux distribution, they have different communities with different rules. For example, Debian wants to make new user go into Linux or Arch Linux. They always tell you to read the wiki, and they think that Arch Linux is the best. Fedora and Red Hat are made for system administrator, and now I will tell you about OpenBSD. Many Linux distros want to grow the user base by bringing new people into Unix. OpenBSD does not. Other Linux distros encourage new users, but OpenBSD doesn't. OpenBSD doesn't try to be the most popular operating system, they just to be the best at what they do. And this community expects newcomers to be advanced computer users. The OpenBSD users that have the skills necessary to add features, fix troubles, write documentation or report problems are called contributors. Committers have write access to the main source code repository. It is very important that they answer to each other and they work together under the guide of the project coordinator. Committers try to avoid breaking things. They make their work available on a website and a mailing list before it is integrated in the main source code collection, allowing other committers to check their work if it is right. The main OpenBSD coordinator is Theo de Rad. This man started the OpenBSD project in 1995 and still coordinates it. He is the final word on how the system should work. He resolves all the disputes that contributors and committees cannot resolve among themselves. He is the main boss of the OpenBSD operating system, and he managed the biggest troubles. If you want to work on OpenBSD, you must accept his decisions. And he has a lot of power, but he is a good project leader that leads the OpenBSD project in a good way. This is also because OpenBSD managed to continue being the best operating system as to security.